Right, we're here at Red Centre Nats with Justin from Adelaide. He's just done his first skid in his VY Ute. But the cool thing about this car, apart from being a very sharp Ute, is the engine. Mate, tell us what you've done.
We've sort of taken a new design on. We thought we'll go things a bit differently. Everyone seems to be jealous in the world, but yeah, we've put a 410 sprint car engine in it for something a little different.
Holy crap. So what's the kind of power and red line this thing does?
We're not sure yet. We sort of have only had it run it for 20 minutes so far, but done a little burnout in the dyno, put on the trailer, brought it here, so that's all we can really tell you. It does the skid, so we're sort of estimating probably, I don't know, 750 of the wheels. So.
And that was a fair skid. What did you have your rev limiter set at?
I'm going to taco set up at the moment, but I put a chip in for $8,000, so apparently I didn't hit it, but I did, but yeah, a little tyre off, so that's all that matters.
And I see you got the sticker to cruise around town?
Yeah, so luckily just scraped in for it, so it's a pretty cool car to be cruising around town, sort of, not just in at LS, so people will go over and go, holy shit.
So your 410 sprint car motor in a burnout car, I've never seen that before.
No, I've seen a couple of 360s and stuff like that, but yeah, I've never seen a 410, so it's the way the table's changed. We're going from a NASCAR engine, and we've seen one of these, we thought, oh, we'll go one step different, so be the first day there, or we're not sure if there's anyone else, but they're hiding pretty well if there is, so.
Mate, it sounds fantastic. They actually had the 410s running last night at the Speedway here.
Yeah, I know, I heard about that. I sort of still travelling up from Adelaide when we got this ready, so sort of spewing around a day late. I could have been out there running with them, so.
Now, next year I'm going to come in a day early so I can check that out.
Yeah, bloody hell. So, I've always wanted to drive a sprint car, so just had to go about it a different way, so put it in a Commodore, I suppose.
Mate, very cool. It's the coolest thing we've seen so far today. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.